My name is Natalie Delzenne and I'm professor at the Université Catholique de Louvain.
What were the major achievements of the EU project MyNewGut?
So the first achievement, in my view, it is just to put together scientists working in basic science, but also clinicians, in order to try to solve some problem of health related to the nutrition. And so in the context of the MyNewGut related to the more fundamental work, so we have been developing some new methodologies and new concepts, trying to understand how the nutrients we are eating every day may play a role in the modulation of the activity, composition of the gut microbiota.
Okay. How will this impact people's lives, in your opinion?
The problem is that, so when we have dietary advices, we don't know necessarily what we have to eat. When we receive the advice to eat 30 grams of dietary fiber per day, we don't know which dietary fiber. In view of the data obtained in the MyNewGut project, maybe we can have a clearer idea of which fibers could interact with the gut microbiota to improve health. And so those fibers are called prebiotics, and in this project we could evaluate which new prebiotics could play a role in the management of obesity and how it could work. Concerning the fibers, so we know that they can target bacteria, change the bacteria with improvement for health, but concretely, so we know now from this project that there are some functions of the bacteria that can be changed. And for example, the bacteria are able to metabolize, to modify some amino acids into good or healthy metabolites. So it means that the view that the protein we are eating by interacting with the gut microbes are always bad for the microbes and for health is not true anymore. It's really depending on which type of protein qualitatively, and maybe we can expect that some metabolites, not all for sure, may have a positive impact on health. And it helps us to refine the dietary advices related to dietary fibers and proteins. And lastly, it is well known now that some drugs can interact with the gut microbes in order to improve health. And in this context, so we have elucidated one specific enzyme which is expressed also by the microbes, which is called the DPP4. And this enzyme plays a role in the modulation of the gut endocrine function, but also, as we have shown, in the modulation of the gluten response. So gluten may produce intolerance, but in this case we studied the role on obesity, and we could see that the DPP4 that can be expressed by the gut microbes may maybe also be involved in the improvement of the obesity.